In this video, I will show you how to create a Coming Soon page in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, go to Online Store from the left-hand menu and then click on Pages. When the Pages section opens, click Add Page in the top right corner. Now, enter a title for your page. In this example, we'll use Coming Soon as the page name. Next, move down to the Content area. Here, you can type your own message to visitors or use Shopify's AI tools to generate content. A simple message like, "We're working on something exciting. Check back soon for updates," works well for a Coming Soon page. After adding your content, review the page settings on the right-hand side and leave the theme template set to the default option unless you want to use a custom template. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the page. After saving, your Coming Soon page will be available on your store. If you'd like to customize how the page looks, you can go to Online Store, click Customize, and make additional design changes in the theme editor. You can also preview the page from your storefront to see how it appears to visitors. That's how to create a Coming Soon page in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.